We are back for SEMA vlog. We're living the dream. We're in Vegas, we're in the desert.
Come check us out in the South Pole.
I haven't had Chick-fil-A in 3 or 4 days, man. I'm losing my mind.
Appreciate it.
Give me one. Give me one.
All polished and let me do
my favorite truck of the show. 100K on YouTube. That's where we're gonna ride the strip. White bow tie. Come on, that white tonight. I dropped 30 on this room. Starting day 3. This is day 4. Sorry, we're at day 4. I found finally got Peepaw in Vegas, which I need that energy boost. I need Jason here in Vegas with me. We got a team dinner tonight. That's gonna be fun. We're going to look at the 6x6s from Poppy's right now, but my back's killing me, and I'm tired, and we needed a shift in the energy today, and Jason's gonna be that shift. The 6x6 is gonna be that shift. Keep grinding. Let's get his breath. Hey twin, you got the beaters on today?
I got the beaters on too. I was so gonna bring those and I didn't.
You got the beaters? Oh, you should have. We'd have been out here matching.
I was just trying to do content here.
Hey, no, we've been doing this every day. This is an everyday thing.
No, he's gonna bust out the chain.
No, I'm fixing it.
Okay, what's that clinking down there, dog? What's that clinking?
Nothing clinking down here. It's my new shirt. Y'all like the new polos?
No, what's that clinking?
What?
Put that mic to it.
You can hear it in some of the videos when I'm walking and filming. You can hear the. Yeah.
That's what happens when you start stepping different, dog.
So, I think we. No.
That boy stepping different.
What's today? Today's Wednesday.
No.
Today's Wednesday.
Yes.
Today's Wednesday.
Yeah.
Yep.
Today's Wednesday. We've been here. I've said this already in the video. We're gonna do it again. We've been here 4 days, 5 days, roughly, something like that. It's day 2 technically of the SEMA show. We still got, including today, 3 more days because the show technically hadn't even started today.
Yeah.
Y'all have 4 more days. They're leaving Sunday. I'm leaving Monday. The vibe check. That's what we're doing here. We're doing the daily vibe check.
Oh, it's high, bro.
You're good. You're feeling good.
I'm phenomenal right now. Cooked, yes, but it's high.
Okay.
It's high.
I wasn't expecting that, to be honest.
No. Maybe like tomorrow will be different, and then Friday afternoon we'll go back to being high again.
Because I'm hitting a wall for sure.
Already?
Yeah. Like the second half of yesterday was rough.
Oh, dude.
I was rough yesterday.
I didn't even have time to think. I was just running around. Booth was freaking packed. Like, I don't know. I didn't have time to think, dude. It was just...
I'm still on 4 or 5 hours of sleep every night, editing every day, filming every day, posting the daily vlogs. You know, it gets a lot. 2 or 3 reels a day,
stepping
videos.
different, bro.
I know, right?
Trying to
Stepping different.
What?
You're stepping different, man.
What? I'm out late a little bit.
No, we ain't
Y'all
gonna
are gonna make it seem like I wasn't out doing nothing. There ain't no proof.
In bed at 8:30.
There ain't no proof.
He was
about
reading
nothing.
catalogs, bro. He was reading catalogs. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. We're gonna leave it at that.
I will say, if y'all follow me on Instagram, I might show up on my story anywhere in the country at any given time. I I teleport sometimes. But,
Yeah, bro. Side quests.
so hopefully, good vibes are good today.
Yeah.
We're having a rough time because we're tired, but I feel like this time last year we were definitely like,
Oh, dude. This time last year,
yeah.
we're way more cooked. 100%.
so
100%.
I don't know. I think we're just pushing through.
I ain't gonna lie. Polos are fresh though.
You like the?
I do.
The silver or gray, whatever color.
Titanium. Whoa.
Hey yo.
Got a double check there, buddy.
Hey, yo. Hey, that's
They bring the boys to the yard.
That's copyright friendly. I ain't got nothing up here to show.
Yeah. It's a family show. It's a family show.
Jason, Sean, vibes are good. We'll be back tomorrow, do another check-in. If you guys have not checked it out already, we're doing daily vlogs in Vegas. There'll be 6 or 7. They'll be all in a playlist. You can check it all out. See the vibes each day. Love these guys. Let's go get into some dumb shit, I guess.
Peepaw's fucking back, boys.
Peepaw's in the video.
Peepaw's in the back.
In the video.
Say something, Peepaw.
Something.
Josh.
Where's Bigfoot? Bigfoot, if you're watching.
If you know, you know.
If you're watching this, if you're watching this right now,
He's in good hands.
I'm about to get this man into some shit.
No.
I'm just kidding. We're just gonna roll with it. Roll with it. Look, can I can I just savor the moment here? We're in Las Vegas, 2025, day 2 of SEMA, right? It's early in the morning, show hasn't started yet. I got Jason, AKA P-Paul, holding the camera for me. This is just moments that need to be remembered, right? We'll never have this moment again. It's great. We're matching shoes, matching shirts. It's a great time. So, I want to come over here first thing this morning and show you guys Manny's, Poppy's new 6x6s. Run through the booth real quick before it gets too crazy, and the lighting's a lot better. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, we did a little reel with them this morning. It's the same as YouTube channel at thatwide.bowtie. You guys have seen this one. There, come in. You guys have seen the silver one already. We went to Miami and you know, did a little video, did a review of it when they did the first unveiling down in Miami a couple of months ago. Silver Illumi-Duty. They finally got the beds put on them, which is super cool. Matching Illumi-Duty bed, color matched, obviously, to match the truck. We've got 6 30x16 seismics and some 42-inch Furies. That beautiful orange color, big cradle, 4-link, 6 rear steer. I mean, it's legendary truck, right? There's not gonna be really too much that can top this, in my opinion. You guys have seen this on the channel. The only way that we top that is we have 2 6x6s with 6 30-inch KG1s and 42s side by side. Now, I do need y'all, we were talking about this yesterday. I need y'all to let me know. I really like the silver and orange, obviously. But James is the owner of this one. Shout out to James, shout out to PJ. I really like the white and gold together. I feel like I like the white and gold better than I do the silver and orange. It's just, it's a cleaner look to me. I love that. I love the orange and silver. But the white and gold together is absolutely crazy. How did we luck out and get all matching seismics for both? How did we have 12 30x16 seismics, 8 on 170 bolt patterns? They got F250 axles under them, obviously. How do we match that up beautifully, right? 30x16 seismics, the 42s, floating center caps, spike lugs. This was rear steer as well. All of this is manufactured, designed, built in-house as far as the management system and the lift kit and everything in Miami at Poppy's Garage. That white and gold is absolutely beautiful. I love the big cradle. Same exact design as the silver and orange, but there's not too much else that I can talk about. Obviously, we might come back later and get a little bit more technical with Manny if he really wants to, but I just absolutely love the way that they did the bed. The bed looks great. Both of them side by side. It just really doesn't get any better than that. Come with me, P-Paul. I don't know what else we got hanging out in the booth over here. We got here you come. New Cummins with the two-toned, what are those, jacked? 30-inch jack dually wheels. Mad at that. This is one of my favorites. We did a video of this earlier in the week. I love the color on this. It's like a purplish color, and the gold lift kit. Actually, I like this setup. I really do. Purple and gold together. It doesn't look purple to me. It looks charcoal, but when you really look at it, it's definitely got some purple to it. So the purple and gold together is beautiful. I think they said this was an illusion copper, I think, on this 5th gen over here, the dually, with the dually wheels in the front, non-super single. 30s on 44s in the back is, oh, look at it. How is this even? For those of you that don't think you can do a 44 1650 on an 8 1/4 dually wheel, there's your proof. This guy drives it too. So, a bit of Paulies in the Furies. We got Lavender's truck over here. Shout out to my guy Lavender. He was here last year. Duty on the Poppy's big cradle kit, 30x16, super single front with the big floating center caps. Absolutely beautiful. And oh, I gotta show you these. You'll like the wheels on them. Y'all liking the new Polos? I was touching those tires. I don't want to touch my shirt up. Would y'all liking the new Polos? You gotta look. They just sent these to us for SEMA. That black and gold together is crazy, isn't it? Look. The black and gold. Radius arm kit, 26-inch A's. There ain't too much that beats just a simple all gloss black dually wheel with the spikes. I love it. Floating center caps. Got the gloss black spikes. 26-inch KG1 Tays with the 37s or 38s, whichever. That all gloss black with the gold, beautiful accent. I love that. We got a big red or black Blvd with the red lift. Some VCR wheels. You got some Filmz down here. This is Poppy's new 14-inch. I think it's 14. It might be a little bit bigger, but they're a 1500 kit that they just finished up. I just love the stance of this. Any of the OGs on the channel know we're big GM guys, obviously. So having the big bulldog stance on the 1500 is that's crazy. I love that. I love that. We'll come back in a little bit and get with Manny if there's anything else that he wants us to touch on while we throw him in the video. But I'm not gonna lie, I had a fire thumbnail for this video, so I wanted to come knock that out this morning before we get into the rest of the video today. So my goal is accomplished today. Anything else that happens is just gravy on top. My little spot up here, yeah. Look at that.
We in it.
Look how legendary. That's been my word of the week. Seems legendary. I feel like I'm just happy to be here. So one of my favorite people, one of my favorite content creators, personally. Different style than just about everybody on the internet, in my opinion. Like we used to grow up watching like 6 o'clock in the morning, the guys on like truck gear, or whatever you call it, you know what I mean? Yeah, like that kind of stuff. They're building trucks at like 5:30 in the morning that we'd watch as a kid. This guy does content like that, and I absolutely love it. So I really just wanted to ask while he's here, throw him in the video. Don't do this to me.
Welcome to day 2 of the 2025 SEMA show. Today's show hours are from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. It's another awesome day. Let's make it a great one. The show is now open.
Show's open. He's got to go.
Awesome day. You heard it.
How you feeling? Are you enjoying yourself in Vegas? SEMA? What are your thoughts?
Yeah, man. Yeah, SEMA's been really good. I think what I enjoy this year the most is, I was talking to somebody about this the other day, is, you know, traditionally, like, SEMA has a poster vehicle, right? A couple years ago it was the A90 Supra, and then it was the Cybertruck, and before that it was the Bronco, right? There's always like one kind of staple in every booth. There isn't that this year, and it's rad because there's so much diversity and so much cool stuff out there. You know, everything from I mean, stuff like this, right? Big old show builds to I saw a K truck with a wrecker on it yesterday. Like,
yeah, there's a Baja suspension to Tesla outside.
That's what I'm saying. It's crazy. There's so much diversity here this year. So it's really cool, and the caliber. I'm just an automotive enthusiast. Like I like trucks and Jeeps and cars and all that stuff. And so there's so much different stuff here. F40s and the Bugatti over there. That's rad.
Literally right outside this booth, we'll have to do a little walk around later once it dies down later in the day. Right outside this booth is $10 million of, you know, a Cullinan, a Pagani, Bugatti.
In like 6 cars.
In like, like 10 cars, $10 million just about. So there's a lot of, that's not something I thought about. We're such truck people over here that, you know, there's so much more to SEMA that even won't make it in our videos. That you're right. There's so much more out there to see if you're like a car person. For sure.
Yeah, it's cool, man. It's been fun. Vegas is always good, as long as you take it in doses, right? Because otherwise, it's a marathon here when you're here all week, and if you take it as a sprint, by Wednesday you're cooked.
Yes, so. That's. I think we're doing better on that this year. Y'all just saw me and Sean talking about how normally this time last year we'd be dead.
Yeah, you're cooked, man.
You can still see the fatigue on us for sure. Yeah, we're way better this time around come Wednesday than we were last year. So
yeah, right on, bro.
But always a pleasure. All right, man. I will get you back in the videos later this week, and y'all just what I'll do is hopefully, as long as I remember, I'll throw his Instagram and everything in the description down there. And okay, I thought I wasn't recording for a second. I was about to freak out. He's got to go. Right, I love you. I appreciate favorite dude right there. For a second, I thought I wasn't recording. I was like, hey, yo. What? I'm with both hands. What? You want me to hold it? Careful now. Careful now.
Where's the
And he brought a straw. Oh, he brought the straw too. What? The Q came through in the clutch today, bro. Clutch. He wanted to show me the. I need to get me. Nah, I don't. I can't. I can't go down the path. I feel like once you go white forces, you can't come back. You know what I mean?
I mean, I am from Mississippi, so it's a thing.
Like, he can pull it off. I don't think I could pull off the white forces. I specifically don't buy anything other than ones because I feel like I would go down a rabbit hole I don't need to go down. Like I probably got 25, 30 pairs of ones at this point, and I don't wear but like 5 of them. So like these I only bring out if I'm going to shows and stuff because they're orange for kids. Like I never wear them.
I literally had these for about 2 years. This is my first time actually wearing them.
Ain't no way. Bro, I'm getting spoiled out here. Is this what it, no, I shouldn't say that.
Let me know if they hooked it up.
Ooh. I'm happy with this. Absolutely. Random Alex thought of the day though. First of all, love Q to death. He was in the video the other day. He brought Chick-fil-A yesterday. Was that yesterday? Yeah. My days are running together, sorry. Yeah. And Starbucks today. So I'm gonna throw him, if y'all don't follow us on Instagram, I'm gonna post on Instagram. Well, y'all ain't gonna see this by that time. Anyway, y'all go show some love, is what I'm saying. I'm gonna put his Instagram in the video. I can't talk today. I hate straws, but I only use straws with Starbucks. I don't know why, but I don't know. And he brought a straw, so I'm happy. That's all I'm saying. Love this guy to death.
So somebody forgot to grab the passes out of the car, and I have no idea what floor Andy's on. So me and Peepaw are on a side quest, and we're gonna pick floor number 3. I have no idea what floor he's on, so we're gonna see if it's right. Know what he's driving, yes. I also have the keys, so we can verify that it's the right car. Hold on. Well, you know what I just realized?
Not on this one.
I don't even think he's in the parking garage.
How about texting Andy?
I don't think he's actually in the parking garage. I think he's across the street, and we're about to find out.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey.
What kind of nuts you got in your mouth?
Salty.
I've got nuggets in my mouth. It's got awkward fast.
Orange chicken.
What?
I don't know.
Well, y'all don't see the next video. I'm dead because of the orange chicken. Bob's the reason. Bob's fault. How you feeling today? End of day 2.
Are you asking me?
I'm asking you, yeah.
I'm feeling actually really good today.
Really?
Yeah.
Not as
How are you feeling today? That's the question.
my back was a little sore this morning.
You got blowed out?
No. Honestly, so I went and filmed outside with the 6x6s this morning, and I did not leave the booth again after that. I didn't come back outside. My back was sore this morning. So the video might not have as much involved. We're doing a team dinner tonight, so y'all will see some of that. But truck-wise, vehicle-wise, outside, I really didn't do much today. So hopefully I'll get some clips from Eric to kind of fill in the gaps and make the video somewhat, doable today. Pay that royalty fee. But we had a good time at the booth. We got some Starbucks today. Saw the 6x6s. I filmed some a reel that's I reposted. I didn't get the collab unfortunately, but KG1 and Custom Offsets did a collab video that I was in. You know, really cool to be on Custom Offsets Instagram. I'm gonna be on the SEMA show does a live thing, and I'm gonna be on their live broadcast tomorrow at about 4 o'clock, which is super cool. That'll be done, and after maybe I'll get some behind the scenes of somebody filming that tomorrow. That'll be super cool. So it's been a great trip, a lot of great content, a lot of great collabs. Super blessed, for the opportunity to be here. We're only halfway done, so we got a whole nother 2 days of the show. Let's grind it out, see what we can get into. But we got a dinner to go to tonight first. So
Let's get this bread.
how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really good actually.
Feeling better?
Show went great.
Hell yeah.
Nice rides.
Hell yeah.
Great people. I felt good.
You ain't getting shit.